Hello everyone, welcome to Asha Coding. I am Asha Satik. Today we are going to learn what is shifted element, transformed element, positioned element, and we are going to compare them in respect to overlapping. Okay, let us go to the class. We already studied the normal document flow. What is normal document flow? It is the concept how HTML elements are displayed in the web page. How HTML elements are displayed in the web page. If it is a black color element, it is displayed from the top to bottom. If it is a inline element, it is displayed from the left to right. Once one element takes space in the web page, that space cannot be assigned to any other element. So one space for one element. No overlapping. All elements are in the z-axis. Okay, this is the main concept in the normal document flow. And now we see what is shifted element, transformed element, positioned element in terms of overlapping. Normal HTML document does not allow any HTML elements to overlap each other. But some CSS properties allow HTML elements overlap. But this is not overlapping. I create the black level element. Five boxes for this example. We have created five black level elements, but it is not displaying because we have to go some width and height. First we have box width. I hope 40 pixel is enough. With this x-axis, height is y-axis. One, box two, box. Two boxes are appeared. We have created five boxes. All boxes are black level elements. So they are positioned from top to bottom, one after another, one after another, one after another. And we have seen where the previous element ends, from there the next element starts. There is no space. This is the normal document flow. We already learned. All elements are in the z-axis, zero value only. And by using some CSS property, some elements may look like overlapping each other, but it is not real overlapping. This is we are going to learn in this class. Okay. First element is red, second is green, third is blue, fourth is maroon, fifth is pink. We leave first element as normal document element, and we make second element, the green element, shifted element. By shifting an element upward or backward or from left to right, we make an element to overlap one element over another. Is this overlapping? This is we are going to learn. Okay. For green element, we make give margin top negative value 20 pixel. Now look at the screen. The green element shifted 20 pixel upward, but it is now overlapping the red element. Is it real overlapping? If you want to see really it overlapping red element, you may positive 5. You see the red element is behind the green element. So the green element overlap the red element. Is it real overlapping? For overlapping, it should leave the normal document flow. Is it the green element left the normal document? No, because the succeeding element, blue element, still following the green element. It just moved upward, but it is still following the normal document flow, because all the normal document flow, all elements in the normal document flow allows succeed the previous element. So the green element still in the normal document flow. It just not left the normal document flow. It just moved upward only. This is not overlapping. Even though it over positioned the previous element or any other element, it just in the normal document flow. So it is not real overlapping. It just moved upward. That's only. Both green and yellow, green and red element are still in the normal document flow, and they are in the z value 0 only. This is not normal overlapping. Now we make the blue element as transformed element by using the CSS property transform. We give 10 pixel. The transform element just moved upward, and we give another translate y 10 pixel. Now look at the screen. The blue element just moved upward 10 pixel above and moved rightward to 10 pixel. And look at the screen, it just moved only. Its previous normal document flow space is still reserved. It's still reserved. The previous space is not deleted. It's still reserved in the normal document flow. The element just painted away only. The element just painted away only. But the space in the normal document still reserved. That space where it ends, there only the upcoming, the succeeding elements are following or displaying. So the element just painted away only. Its original space in the normal document flow is still reserved, and all the succeeding elements still following it. So the transformed element is also in the normal document flow. So it is not real overlapping. So shifted element by using margin property is still in the normal document flow, and transformed element is still in the normal document flow. Its original space is reserved in the normal document flow. So those using margin property and transform property is does not make real overlapping. Real overlapping, it's not overlapping. But look at this shifted element and transformed element. It's overlapped previous element or one element over another. But the shifted element is overlap. It's come forward. It's come forward. It's over the normal element. The transformed element, it's overlapped over normal and shifted element. Normal and shifted element. It is important. Shifted element overlap normal element, but transformed element overlap normal and shifted element. Okay, but this is not real overlap because they are still in the normal document flow. They are still occupies the normal document flow space. They are not left the normal document flow. Okay, now we use the position property. Fourth, maroon element. Now look at the screen. We made the maroon element position element. It just lift, look at the screen. It's overlapped the shifted element. It's overlapped the transformed element. It is above all other elements. Not it is above normal element. It is above shifted element. It is above the transformed element. But you have to see there it is the real overlapping because it left the normal document flow. Is it? It's succeeding element still following it? No, succeeding element still are not following it. So the succeeding element follows its previous element only, which is the normal document flow. So it led to the normal document and its position over the shifted element, normal element, transformed element. It is the real overlapping. This only accepts the Z index value because we created normal document flow. Let us compare. You take a paper. It is a two-dimensional. The vertical position is y-axis. The horizontal position is x-axis. It is a paper. It is a plane. It is a two-dimensional. Now the position elements also create is a another paper. Compare normal document flow. It is a web page. It is a paper. It is a two-dimensional. When you create a position element, it also create a two-dimensional another paper, like another paper, one paper over another paper. This is only happening. Shifted elements, transformed elements are still in the normal document flow paper, but the position elements creates a another paper, another composite layer. This is the important. The position elements only leaves the normal document flow. Remember, the position elements only leaves the normal document flow. It over position the normal shifted transformed elements. You look in the examples. Here only Z index value works. I give minus. So the position elements go beyond all other elements. Look at this. Transformed element. Blue is transformed elements. Green is shifted element. It position the maroon position beyond the blue and green. So the position elements positions beyond transformed element, shifted elements. So in the class we learn what is shifted element, what is transformed element, what is positioned element. Shift these three makes elements overlapping, but the position elements only real overlapping. Shifted elements and transformed elements are not real overlapping. It just to position over another element. It's still in the normal document flow only. All learners and becomes the very confusion. All learners becomes very confusion regarding this, and they are asking many questions like this. What is shifted? It is also overlapping over another element. What is transformed? It is also overlapping another element. But they are not obeying the z index value. They are not obeying the z index values. How we learn? It is the concept what is shifted, what is transformed, what is positioned in the overlapping. They are just moved away. Just move away. It is shifted. They are colored. They are displayed away. But its original position reserved in the normal document flow. It is transformed. It is left. It's left the normal document flow. It is position elements. When which element leaves the normal document flow and creates another composite layer, that is position element. That position element is like a plane. It creates a plane. Plane means two-dimensional area. Two-dimensional area. X, Y. X and Y like a paper. Like a paper. Like a paper. Like paper have two-dimensional. Vertical is y-axis, horizontal is x-axis. One paper, composite layer creates another paper, another x and y. This two is elevation view. Is in elevation view. You look in the elevation view. So they are compressed and look in the one view. If the forward element hates, the backward element is hidden. That's only. Okay, you have learned what is shifted, what is transformed, what is position elements. Position elements is real overlapping element. Shifted and transformed are not real overlapping. They never support the z index value. They are still in the normal document flow only. And we learned what is the real concept is non-shifted element position over the normal element. Even though they are overlapping, they still just position over the normal element. Transformed element positions over the shifted elements. So transform element position over normal and over the shifted element. And the position element positions over normal, shifted, transformed element. This is the real concept in this class. Okay, you have learned shifted, transformed, and position element. I hope. Thank you.